Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. In this video today, we are going to be talking about pruning. We are going to be looking at the benefit of pruning on your commercial field. Before we dive in, let us understand what pruning means. Pruning simply means the removal or cutting off of dead plant leaves from the plant. Pruning your plantain field has several significant benefits. It's not only beneficial to the health of your plant, but it is very essential for the overall development of your plantain fruit. What is the essence of growing your plantain if not to get quality bunches at the end of the day? If this is your first time of coming across this channel, all you need to do real quick is to punch on the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and do well to give this video a thumb up. Go nowhere. We'll be right back. The number one reason why you should prune your commercial field is to ensure disease prevention. How do I mean? This is a typical example of a plantain plant that has not been pruned. When you leave out your plantain plant this way, it has high risk of being host to diseases because these dead leaves have high tendency of harboring a whole lot of pathogens, especially fungi and a lot of other insect carrying diseases. And that is why you have to ensure that at every point in time you are making sure that your field is properly pruned. Another reason why you want to ensure that your field is properly pruned is to allow for air circulation. When your field is not pruned, it is very dangerous, because when air is not properly circulating around your field, then your plants, covered by the dead leaves, will have high tendency of creating a humid environment. Humid environment usually promotes the growth of pathogens and diseases, and you don't want happening. For disease to take place, three things must align together. One is the host, two is the disease or the pathogens, and three is the right environment. These three factors, which are the host, the pathogen, and the right environment, must come together to align in order for any disease to thrive in a particular area. So what you want to do at every point in time for your commercial field is to ensure that your field is properly pruned so as to allow air circulation that will then prevent humid environment that usually promotes the development of pathogens and diseases. So make sure that at every point in time you are not creating these three factors: the host, which in this case will be your plantain; the pathogens, which could be carried into the field by insects that has probably found a home under these dried or dead leaves; and the last one is the disease they now introduce to your field, which will then grow in this humid environment. So prune to allow air circulation, which will then prevent the growth of pathogens. The next reason why we have to prune is to allow for proper sunlight penetration. You need to know this area is currently being pruned. If you look downward, you'll see it will be pretty difficult for rays of sunlight to penetrate into this part if we do not prune. That is why you have to ensure that pruning is done regularly at your field location. Looking at these smaller suckers, if you do not prune, it will be difficult for sunlight to get to them from the sun. Another reason why you should prune is to ensure that the plant utilizes its nutrient rightly. Mind you, the dead leaves of plants still draw energy from this plant. Prune them out to ensure that these guys do not draw nutrient from this plant. You want to ensure at every point in time that the plant is channeling all of its nutrient and energy to the useful part of the plant, not allowing the dead leaves to still draw nutrient from the plant and still draw energy from the plant. So we don't want any of that happening, and that is why you have to ensure you prune so that everything goes to the useful part of the plant, which will help the plant develop very huge bunches at the end of the day. Another reason why you want to ensure that you prune your field is to allow your plant to develop a very strong pseudostem. When you prune your field regularly, you cut out all the dead leaves. It allows the pseudostem to develop strength, because all the nutrient is only going to the useful part of the plant. There's no nutrient also going to the dead leaves on the plant. It gives the plant the opportunity to then develop robust leaf, which would then improve the strength of the pseudostem, which enable it to be firmer and way more strong, and eventually lead to it developing very quality fruit or bunches at the end of the day. In summary, pruning dead leaf enables your field to grow better, reduces disease infestation of your field. In fact, it eradicates disease infestation of your field, because your field now, after being pruned, doesn't provide an environment that allows for disease buildup. It then promotes development of a healthier plant, and eventually quality bunches will be produced when you do this regularly at that your commercial field. So what are you waiting for? Why not do the right thing and get the best result from that your field? It's a commercial field and you are doing all of this because you want to make money. So make the money by doing the right thing. You make the money by producing quality bunches that will compete at any level, that have way more better comparative advantage over other bunches that are produced elsewhere, because you pay critical attention at ensuring that the bunches produced at your farm are of quality, are healthier, and compete way better than any other bunch anywhere. So guys, do the right thing, and at the end you will get quality bunches. Peace. This is what we're going to do real quick before we call it a time with you. If you are interested in getting the elephant giant variety that we sell, all you need to do real quick is to send a DM to the number appearing on your screen. Send a WhatsApp message, or you go to the description of this video. You will find our email contact. Send us an email and you will have these suckers delivered to you anywhere you are in Nigeria, and also even outside Nigeria. So these things will be made available to you. We have very quality hybrid suckers, elephant giant variety with amazing bunches, and you need to ensure that you are messaging us right now so that we have this sucker supplied to you. Irrespective of your location in Nigeria, you need to message and get the best variety of suckers from none other than we at Chidav Agricultural Hub Limited. So guys, we are going to be drawing the curtain here, but before we go, if you haven't subscribed to our channel just yet, all you need to do real quick is to punch on the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and do well to give this video a big thumb up if you have learned a whole lot from today's section. See you again in our next video. For now, peace.